Good morning, student. Today we will start our fourth chapter, an introduction to industry. Now, student, word industry means manufacture and delicacy. Word industry means manufacture and delicacy. It means udyog. Now then, 43 page number 4.1 tab is here. It is ABC Limited is a company that makes vehicles. It buys steel and other materials from the market to make vehicles. The vehicles are then sold to customers. Clear, student? After that, first question regarding the paragraph. First question is, what does ABC Limited make? What does ABC Limited make? So read the paragraph very carefully and give the answer. ABC Limited makes vehicles. Now then, how does the company make vehicles? Second question is, how does the company make vehicles? So it buys steel and other materials from the market and makes vehicles. Now third question is, what happens to the vehicle once it is ready? Question, what happens to the vehicles once it is ready? So the vehicles are sold to customers when they are ready. So student, read the paragraph very carefully and give the answer. After that, we will go on page number 44. Here is a paragraph. Aman runs a service station. He is good at vehicle repair and maintenance. He charges his customers a fee for his services. Clear? Fourth question is here. What does Aman do to earn money? Question. What does Aman do to earn money? Aman repair and maintenance vehicles to earn money. What is the answer? Aman repair and maintenance vehicles to earn money. Clear, student? Now after that we will start our chapter. The activity of earning money by buying and selling goods or providing services is called a business. ABC Limited earns money by manufacturing and selling vehicles. ABC is Limited is a company earn money by manufacturing and selling vehicle. Manufacturing means making good and large quantities using machinery. Manufacturing means creation. Word manufacturing, it means creation. Aman earns money by providing a service. Word service, it means employ to people. He repairs and maintains vehicles. Both car manufacturing and vehicle service are examples of industry. The term industry is used to refer to all businesses that manufacture and sell goods or provide services to people who need them. So student, on page number 44, some spellings are here: businesses, manufacturing, service and industry. So businesses means selling goods or providing services is called a business. Manufacturing means creation. It means making goods in large quantities using machinery. Service, it means employ. Then after industry, it is the term industry is used to refer to all businesses that manufacture and sell goods or provide services to people who need them. After that we go on page number 45. List two manufacturing and services industries that you know of. What is the question is here? List two manufacturing and services industries that you know of. Industries, manufacturing and services. Divided into two parts, manufacturing and services. So in manufacturing, dairy industry, garment industry, home appliances industry, mixie, grinder, fridge, etc., etc. Okay, so you write it here only two. Service, home appliances repair and maintenance, hotel industry, lift service and online shopping and etc. Okay, you will write only two in both, two each. Then after 4.3 pap is here. Usha is an industrious woman. Industrious is an adjective in the above sentence. Find out what it means. So student, industrious mean, it is an adjective. It means hard working, dedicated, problem solver. So many spellings regarding industries adjectives. Clear? So write one spelling is here. After that, do you think you are industrious? Yes or no? Either you yes. So why? Then I want to write it here. I am an employee who works hard and comes up with creative ideas. It is my views. So write it answer yourself. Manufacturing industry. The manufacturing industry makes and sells product, automobile, vehicles and their parts, textile, cloths, and cement are some examples of manufacturing industry. Based on its size, the manufacturing industry is classified into small scale industry and large scale industry. So student, small scale industry, it means small scale industries are those industries in which the manufacturing, production and rendering of services are done on a small or micro scale. These industries make a one-time investment in machinery plants and industries. Some examples of small scale industries are agarbatti making, chalk making, wood making, toys making, slippers making, etc. etc. And large scale industry refers to factories that combine of at least three characteristics: use of machinery, employment of wage labor, and the application of regulatory measures such as Factory Act to Disputes Act. Large scale industries use heavy machinery which is given by PA. It requires a wide variety of raw materials, large scale investments, and workforce to manufacture the final product. The example of such industries are iron and steel industry. So, small scale industry and large scale industry, maybe it is clear. Clear student? Okay. Thank you so much for listening me. We'll continue this chapter in video 2. Thank you once again.